If you've ever scrolled through TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you've probably come across some of the wildest, most unexpected videos, the kind that instantly grab your attention. But have you ever wondered why they go viral? It's not just luck. It's about creating something so unique, so visually irresistible, that people have no choice but to stop and watch. Welcome to Income X AI, where we don't just talk about AI content, we create it. And today, we're bringing AI-generated animal chefs to life. Imagine a lion flipping pancakes, a raccoon rolling sushi, or a frog whipping up a tiny gourmet meal. It's weird, it's fun, and most importantly, it works. But here's the best part. You don't need pro editing skills or expensive software to make this happen. Stick around, because I'm breaking it all down step by step. Before we dive into the process, let me show you exactly what we're creating. Before we dive into the step-by-step tutorial, let me show you the 4 key tools you'll need to create these viral animal chef videos. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT to craft detailed prompts and brainstorm creative ideas for your animal chef and scene setups. Tool number 2, PicLumen. This tool generates high-quality images based on your descriptions. Tool number 3, Halo AI. With your images ready, Halo AI brings them to life. Tool number 4, CapCut. Finally, CapCut is your editing powerhouse. These 4 tools work together to turn your creative ideas into viral, engaging animal chef videos. Now, let's dive into the process step by step and see how each tool transforms your vision into an attention-grabbing masterpiece. Step 1. Generate the perfect prompt. First, open the Google Doc linked in the description. I've provided the exact prompt you need there. Simply copy the entire prompt text, then head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT's chat box and hit enter. ChatGPT will immediately generate a detailed creative description for your animal chef video. This is your creative blueprint, your starting point for everything that follows. Step 2. Generate the images. Now that you've copied the detailed description from ChatGPT, let's turn it into a captivating image using PicLumen. First, open the Google Doc linked in the description to access all the necessary links. Click on the PicLumen link provided to visit their website. If you haven't already, sign up for a free account by clicking on the Launch App button and filling out the registration form with your email and desired password. Once registered and logged in, paste your description into the input field. Select the PicLumen Art V1 model for vibrant and detailed results. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for vertical videos on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Choose to generate 2 images to have options. Click Generate and watch as your description transforms into stunning visuals. Once you're happy with the result, download the image to your device. With your image ready, you're all set for the next step, bringing it to life with animation. Step 3. Animation the images. Now that your image is ready, it's time to animate it with Halo AI. If you haven't already, visit Halo AI's website and sign up for an account before logging in. Once you're in, upload the image you created with PicLumen. Then, paste the detailed description you generated with ChatGPT into the prompt field and adjust the animation settings to match your vision. Select the style, duration, and any other options that bring your animal chef to life. Click Generate and watch as Halo AI transforms your static image into a dynamic, engaging animation. If it doesn't quite hit the mark, simply tweak the settings or refine your description and try again until it's perfect. When you're satisfied, download the video to your device and you'll be ready to move on to the next step with CapCut. Step 4. CapCut Edit Videos. Now that your animated video is ready, it's time to give it the final polish using CapCut. Open CapCut on your device and import the animated clip from Halo AI. First, scale your video to hide the Halo AI watermark. Adjust the duration as needed. Remember, this is a short video, but you can add extra clips or slow down the speed to extend it slightly. For this tutorial, I've put together 5 videos to show you the process. Next, move on to the audio. Search for some cooking music you like, using free tracks from the YouTube library or Pixabay. Once you've selected your track, cut the music on the timeline and add smooth transitions between clips. Now, here's where I add my creative touch. I choose to incorporate camera shake and a subtle mist effect to give your video extra energy and flair. Don't forget to layer in some cooking sound effects as well, to really enhance the overall vibe. Adjust everything until your final product captures that quirky, irresistible charm. Export the video. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. Stay tuned for more exciting content in our next video. See you soon.